Joblessness is not good. Look at this jobless man. He is sleeping and smiling. Are you in London or America? My friend, wake up! Wake up from that nonsense. Hey! Nduka! Oh! Nduka! Nduka, what is it? Keiko, what is it? Oh! Nduka! Must you be a devil? Must you? How did I meet you? See the beautiful dream I was dreaming. I almost got married to my Omalicha. And now what keep your you not your mortgage. I'm stupid. Again. If you are going to madu, smarting trim manapugara. Teram manapugara. Tap to run mad does not take much time. Are you what is the problem? Okay. You know better you wake up from that your nonsense dream and face reality. This is reality. This is reality, not dream. Reality. What dream? I want you to bottom the reality. What is the problem? Why are you avoiding me now? It's me. I love.
Since 3 days you promised to give me money to get clothes for myself. Have you fulfilled it?
Okay. Is that the problem?
That is the problem.
So once I give you the money, we'll be good?
Exactly, yes.
Okay. I promise I will do as I said. I'll fulfill the promise.
And when are you fulfilling it?
Tomorrow. I'll fulfill that promise tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, my love.
Are you sure?
Yes, my love.
Come here. That's my baby boo.
Hey. If another my love. Chai. Hi. Okay. If another my love. If another. I love you so much with all my heart. I love you more than everything in this world. If another. Promise me that you will not break my heart.
Break your heart? No. For as far as you are going to take care of me, love me, and you're giving me everything.
Full of birds.
Can I my man?
Do come on.
Thank you, man.
Good day, Kele.
Ifunanya, how are you?
I'm fine. Obi, I'll have to take my leave.
I want to come. One.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Okay. One. Nah. Ifunanya. Nah.
Yeah.
This guy is making me happy.
It's making you happy.
I swear.
Anyways, I admire you both.
Hey, Ekene. That reminds me. Why haven't you gotten for yourself a nice girl in this village as a girlfriend? What are you waiting for?
Anduka, you won't understand. See, my problem is I've not found my kind of woman. So I'm not in a hurry. I'm taking my time.
So, Ekene, so you mean all the beautiful maidens in this village, you have found none attractive for yourself?
Yes.
Yeah.
But they are beautiful, no doubt. But the problem is, I've not found my, like, that taste of a woman.
Hey.
The way I want it. See, the taste of my woman is very hard to come by. In fact, my kind of woman is inestimable.
Abby.
Do you understand that? Inestimable.
Yeah.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid. She's yet to be born.
Hey.
So, I want to take my time. See, I need a woman that will give me the kind of you and Ifunaya's vibe. You know, a woman that will make me look foolish.
Wait, I have, but let me tell you something. There are plenty of them in this village. Just that you have not made our time. You have not created our time to look and look to find the right person for yourself, okay?
I don't know, maybe, but I don't like if water.
Amaracham. If Naya, stop now. What is wrong with you? You know I love you. Why are you behaving like this? Come on, I'm full like an anya. Mommy, smile for me now. Put some smiles. Give me that smile.
Do you have the money?
Of course I have it now. If I don't have the money, what do I gain?
Okay, let me have it.
But smile for me now. Put some smiles. Mwah. Mwah.
Please, I don't have time. If you have the money, give it to me.
I take the money. This is the money. Jump.
And how much is it?
10,000 naira is there.
10,000 naira. Nduka, you are looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble, Nduka.
Take this one first now. At least give me from now till the day after tomorrow. I'll make it up to 20,000 naira. You know I'm trying.
Trying? Trying my foot.
Where are you going to now? Don't even give me a peck.
Osi peck. For ordinary 10,000 naira, I should peck you.
Where will I get 10,000 naira from now? 10,000 naira.
Mama, what is it now? This is why you are shouting my name like this. Nah.
Ifadimma, where is the money? Where is my money?
Mama, which money?
The 10,000 naira I kept under my bed.
10,000 cha. Mama, have you searched well?
I have searched every nook and corners of this place. Even all my clothes I've searched everywhere.
Then Nduka must be the suspect, Mama.
Hey.
I saw him leaving the house with a swollen pocket. I think you have gone to spend your money with that girl.
Spend my hard-earned money with a girl. Nyaje ko abata.
Ka.
Nyaje ko abata na this house.
Mama, Obiago. Where?
Nduka, where is my money?
Hey, Mama, which money?
The 10,000 naira I kept under my bed. Where is my money, Nduka?
Mama, I am sorry I did not tell you before taking the money. Yes, I took the money.
I said it.
Nduka, you did what? What did you do with my money, Nduka? Nduka, what will you use 10,000 naira to do, Nduka?
Mama, how can you be asking a full-grown man like me what I did with money? Do they ask a man what he did with money?
Nduka! How many times did I call you? If that girl does not put you into trouble, know that my name is not Ifedimma. Mama, Ozugo, no. Mama, Ozugo, Mama, Abu Wano. Don't worry. Okay?
This boy.
Ozugo.
Nenukisa chake anyangoto nenukisa muke anyangoto nenukisa chake anyangoto nenukisa muke anyangoto nenukisa chake choki mara nahoram ginanya.
Greetings. The beautiful morning sunshine, the beauty and glory of our kingdom. May your presence speak fortune unto my existence. May your days be long and fruitful. Anyanwacha.
Greetings. Stand to your feet. What's your name and which family are you from?
My name is Ekene Dirichukwu, the only son of late Obiamalo.
I see. I appreciate you. Shall be well with you and your household.
It's a... This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. This is elegant. This is exactly what I am talking about. Woo! Absolutely beautiful. Nikoduka mwasi yomuke. This name really fits her. Anyanwacha. Nikoduka patoisi ya womnaro. Hai, mwakatamma.
Ekene, enough of that admiration. What is wrong with you? Do you want to put yourself in trouble? Eh? Do you want to put yourself in trouble, Ekene? Eh?
Yeah. What are you talking about?
Why are you admiring her now? What is the problem? Eh? Do you want to put yourself in trouble?
What do you mean put myself in trouble?
Hey, Ekene, why do you ask a question like you are a stranger in your own land? Who does not know that Anyanwacha is prepared to be a celibate, pure and virgin all the days of her life? Eh? It's abominable for any man to shower her with admirations. Don't you know?
Onenya, leave that thing. What kind of a kijik and peperic tradition is that? Nduka, how do you expect this kind of beautiful maiden to remain a virgin all the days of her life? Is that not emotional slavery? Yeah, check you go there.
Ekene, no one questions the old tradition. What's wrong with you, Ekene? Ekene, this is blasphemy. This is blasphemy.
That's Guinea.
The leaves have ears. Akamatraku, Ekene, Akamatraku.
Now, what go do here?
My friend, let's go now. Let's go. What's the problem now? I'm talking, you're still admiring her.
Omona Gisobia.
Here.
Go where?
Ekene. Hey. Priestess, that's Munne. Negeni. Let's go.
Go. Omona Gisobia. Gawa.
Ekene.
Ify, Mama, hey. Are you not done? Eh? What are you still doing?
Mama.
Who owns all this beautiful smile on your face?
Brother, this one you are smiling like a first-time lover.
Mama. Guess who I saw today?
Who?
The priestess. Anyanwacha. I saw her today. Mama. She is so beautiful. So beautiful. Like the fairy tale mermaid. Mama. The moment I saw her, I started having these chilly feelings. Mama, she is too beautiful to be called a human.
Brother, it's too dangerous to admire the priestess in such manner, and you know it.
That is wrong. That is a kijik. She is beautiful, and beautiful things are meant to be appreciated. Mama, that is what I'm doing.
Hey! My son, why are you talking as if you did not grow up in this village? You know that Priestess Anyanwacha is meant to be a virgin for the rest of her life. She is not to be distracted by any admiration from any man. She is not to be made advances at. Please, Do not put yourself in trouble.
Mama.
Are you hearing me?
Mama, I suggest that such traditional practice should go. And we as people, we need to follow up. You know why? The world is growing and moving forward. So we as people, we need to follow up.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up your mouth? What's wrong with this boy? In fact, get out. Get out! Leave my sight! Cindy Rupwa. Cindy Rupwa, sir.
But that doesn't stop the chilling I'm having. The feeling is good. The feelings is good.
Small feelings.
Mama, you won't understand.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking of. I'm not oblivion nation.
I am thinking the same thing. Go and check if your brother if I ask him now, because what's wrong with him? The
priestess.
Hey, he just told me, Obona milk could eat in your Obona milk. I didn't get on one.
Can I become a
Go and look for Gary. What's wrong with this boy?
I am very hungry. I'm very hungry.
You are hungry?
Yeah.
But your sister is supposed to prepare something in the house.
I told you that my sister and my mother traveled to my maternal home.
Oh, that's true.
So now, you go into the kitchen and prepare a delicious food for us to eat. Make it delicious.
Oh, Sigini. I should go to the kitchen.
Yes, make it special.
Nah, I don't have strength to cook in that kitchen. Let me go and get food. I'm also hungry. I don't have strength. Let me go and get you mama put. Let me buy mama put for you. You like it?
Mama put quoi? No. I don't want mama put. What do you mean mama put? I'm very hungry now. You're talking about mama food. Go into the kitchen and prepare food. Let's eat. You're talking about what is mama put?
Then you are not hungry.
Ndoka. Keije.
Ekene afa.
Udod. Kenkene man.
Good day, Ekene.
Ifunaya. How are you?
I'm fine. Nduka, I'll see you later. Make sure you take something. Oh, Okoma. Alright.
Alright, take care. Udobu, Kenkene man. You look worried.
Worried? No, I'm fine.
You're not fine. Because I heard everything. See, Ndoka. This is the reason I told you that none of these girls in this village match up my taste. How can you ask your girlfriend to cook for you and she refused? I heard her suggesting to go and buy you mama put. Is that not funny? This is the reason I talk about the priestess. She is beautiful. Beautiful, and I believe that she would make a good wife.
Ekene, what is wrong with you? Why do you keep talking about the priestess? Ekene, the priestess is not meant for marriage. So stop using her as reference for anything.
And you put that thing? How put that thing? What do you mean? Is the priestess not a human being? She is a human being. In fact, she is beautiful and deserves every good thing that every other girl enjoys. What are you talking about?
Ekene, how can the priestess? Leave the priestess now. Why do you always talk about the priestess? Ekene, leave the priestess. So I am warning you. Now, this is no longer advice. So I am warning you to leave the priestess.
But our dear, let me tell you, these things are man-made tradition, and it can be unmade.
Ekene, what is wrong with you? What is the problem? Leave the priestess alone. She's not meant for marriage. Ekene, have a priestess bagandoge. Happy. Ekene, Ekene, it seems your brain no longer works well. What is wrong with you? Are you normal? What is up? Leave the priestess bagandoge, Ekene.
If you want to talk to me, talk to me.
Ekene,
my friend, let me. Shut up! Before you talk to me, you go and handle your ifunaya. A girl that you cannot even tell. A girl you cannot control to prepare common meal for you. She was here advising me about who not to admire. She's sacred, she's this and that. One, it's all call. If I die in peace. Go and handle your case. I want
What has come over this boy? why is he bent on landing himself in trouble? Eh? Everybody in this village knows that Anya Nwacha is a sacred and separate being. She should not be talked about carelessly. Talk more of admiring her. What is it? Eh?
Mama Ekene,
No.
I have done my possible best trying to talk sense into him, but he keeps proving stubborn. So I said, let me come and tell you so that you know what to do about it before it gets out of hand.
You have done well, Ndoka. Thank you so much. You are indeed a good friend.
It's nothing. What are friends for? Mama Ekene,
No.
I'll take my leave now. I have an appointment with somebody.
Okay.
So I'll take my leave now.
No, go away.
All right. Please, do something before it gets out of hand. Do it, my very good friend. That's why I'm concerned.
No. Thank you so much.
All right. Bye-bye.
Oh, my dear. Thank you.
This is a very big problem. This is a very big problem. I don't know why Ekene is doing like this.
I don't know.
Eh?
He just wants to put us in trouble.
Mama,
No.
this is trouble. Oh. Let it not be that Ekene has fallen in love with the priestess.
Chukwaju. I keep wondering the same thing. But we must do something to stop it. Or else he will land himself in trouble. Ekene Diluchukwu.
Mama.
Ekene Diluchukwu, what is wrong with you? Why have you decided to bring shame and calamity in this family? Why?
Mama, why are you disturbing me? Eh? What have I done wrong?
Brother, stop talking about the priestess. It's very dangerous. You put yourself in trouble, brother. Stop it. Okay, what will you do if anybody hears about it? Be it the elder or no? What will you do?
What are you people talking about? Eh? What are you people talking about? Please, you people should stop disturbing me. I have the right to my mind, and I have the right to admire who I want or not. Biko, you people should stop disturbing me on this matter. Biko, excuse me.
Ekene Diluchukwu. I told you. Give him Gary. I'm not sure you did it.
Ekene want to put us in shame. He want to put the whole family in trouble.
Is it only shame? The calamity he will bring in this family. But God forbid.
Mama, you talk to him. You will talk to him because this thing is getting out of hand.
I'll talk to him. Is he not your brother? Why won't you talk to him?
Mama, talk
to him first.
Mama, talk to
He
your
has
son.
started taking something.
Anya Nwacha nenukisa chake. Anya Nwacha nenukisa muke. Anya Nwacha nenukisa chake. Anya Nwacha nenukisa muke. Anya Nwacha nenukisa chake. Chọrọ ka ị mara na ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Anya Nwacha nenukisa chake. Anya Nwacha nenukisa muke. Anya Nwacha nenukisa chake. Anya Nwacha nenukisa muke. Anya Nwacha nenukisa chake. Chọrọ ka ị mara na ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ụwa Anya Nwacha ahụrụ m gị n'anya. anyanwụ ọcha o lenu ka isi achake anyanwụ ọcha o lenu ka isi amuke anyanwụ ọcha o lenu ka isi achake achọ m ka ị mara na ahụrụ m gị n'anya o anyanwụ ọcha o lenu ka isi achake achọ m ka ị mara na ahụrụ m gị n'anya o ụwa 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 anyanwụ ọcha na ahụrụ m gị n'anya o.
What was the meaning of what you did over there? Peeping at the priestess? What come over you? Do you know the implications? Do you know the implication of what you did? See, I decided to keep quiet because of who you are in this community. That is a taboo that attracts several punishments. I will warn you to mind your business. Don't ever do it again.
Ojemba, I know, and I appreciate the fact that you're calling me to advise me. Thank you very much for confiding in me. But Ojemba, you and I know that the priestess is the kind of woman I want as a wife.
Are you mad?
And I believe that one day, one fateful day, the priestess will be around me.
That's in your wildest dream. Ekenedrechukwu, in your own interest, I will ask you to delete that stupid mindset. Anyanwacha will never be yours today, next tomorrow, and forever. Stay out trouble. Stay out abomination. Stay out trouble and stay out abomination. She can never be yours. That is abomination, and you know that. Stop digging your own grave by yourself.
Ojemba.
Stop digging your own grave by yourself. I will not warn you again.
Ojemba. Ojemba, no matter what on Uchuku. Appreciate the fact that you're advising me, but don't speak like you are the gods. You Uchuku.
My son here, Kennedy Luchukwu, told me that he's in love with your daughter and he would like to marry her. That's why we came.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Wine, where's the wine? Where's the wine I done with it?
Uncle, it's me he wants to get married to. I want to marry him.
Okay. No problem.
My love.
My king.
So, you mean you are giving me go ahead to go and bring a wine and come with my people and then you will marry me?
Yes, I will marry you.
Thank you very much.
Come here.
Joblessness is not good. Look at this jobless man. He is sleeping and smiling. Are you in London or America? My friend, wake up! Wake up from that nonsense. Hey! Nduka! Oh! Nduka! Nduka, what is it? Kemo! What is it? Oh! Nduka! They're gonna monitor now. Must you be a devil? Must you? How did I meet you? See, such a beautiful dream I was dreaming. I almost got married to my Omalicha. And I want him. Keep your You want to mortgage? I'm going to I'm stupid. Again. If you are going to madu, smarting trim manapuara. Trim manapugara. To run mad does not take much time. Are you? What is your problem? Okay. You know better. You wake up from that your nonsense dream and face reality. This is reality. This is reality, not dream. Reality. What dream? I want to go back to reality. Mama, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. No.
I hope that's no problem.
Earlier today, you know my brother that lives in the city.
Oh! You mean that one that drives that jeep?
Bam.
Wadona.
What happened?
He was here. Guess what?
Mama, tell me now.
He said that he wants to take you to the city to come and learn trade.
Mama, to the city?
Yes.
To learn trade?
Yes.
Mama, that is good, dude. Hey! Look at big boy.
My heart's full of happy.
Mama, wait, too. What kind of trade is that?
Mbuka spare parts now.
Chineke.
That is what he's into.
Mbuka spare, that is motor parts now.
Yes.
now.
That would be nice too.
It's nice, man. Yes.
Hey. City. Mama. Anyway, I was on my way to see someone before you called me, so I'll think about it. Okay. When I come back, I'll give you feedback.
Yeah, think about, but nothing to think about. Yeah, think about.
Mbuka spare parts.
Yes.
Okay, Mama.
Mama, Aligo.
Ndoka, be careful, oh.
Ndoka, big boy.
Please be careful.
Are we your sister?
Mama, Aligo. Mama, Aligo.
Oh, we are not. Hey, Chimo.
There is this good news I want to tell you. I hope you will like it.
Tell me.
My uncle wants to take me to the city to learn Mbuka spare parts.
Nduka, you mean you want to leave me in this village and go to the city? Who will not be taking care of me?
But it's not like that now. Going to the city does not stop me from taking care of you. I can still be taking care of you even when I'm in the city. Distance is not a barrier.
Distance is a barrier for me. Listen, I am not interested in distance relationship. Tell me, what if I need you around me? What will I do? Do you want me to start flirting around the village?
But
what? Listen, Nduka, you either choose to stay with me in this village or go to the city with your uncle and forget about me forever. Yes.
Forget about you.
Bam. Just imagine.
Hey. Mama, you called me.
Yes, my dear. I want you to give us the feedback about traveling to my brother's place in Lagos. You told me that when you come back, that you are going to give us feedback.
You mean about going to the city?
About going there to learn trade with my brother.
Mama, I have thought about it. And Mama, I am not interested. Yes, tell my uncle to find another person because I am not available.
Nando, but why? Why are you not interested in that?
Nduka, what exactly happened? Please tell us. What happened?
I want to stay here in the village.
You want to stay here in the village and do what exactly?
follow that useless girl if not your choir.
Mama, see, don't refer to my girlfriend as useless again. What is all this now? What's your problem?
And if I do, what will you do? Will you slap me? You refuse to go to the city and fight for your future because of a girl, an ordinary girl if Nanya. Okwaya?
Mama, want this girl, let her not talk to me anyhow again or refer to my girlfriend as useless. What is all this? If she tries it again, I will deal with her. I won't even mind that she's my elder sister. What is all this?
Ezioku. Shalukwadunam. Girlfriend in my presence. He do bold. Hey!
Mama, do you know, I thought this guy have sense. I thought he really have sense. I don't like his brain is empty. You have an empty brain. Hey!
Mama, I'm not going to any city. Yes, I'm not going to the city. If your people plan to send me to the city, people have failed. I'm not going to the city, period.
Look at your opening out of us, where? Look at just walked out of us. Hey!
Nduka, what is wrong with you? Why would you refuse to go to the city and fight for your future? Are you normal? It's what you call
Ekene, you know how much I love Ifunanya. She complained that she cannot cope without me. Yes. Do you know what happened? She asked me to choose between her and going to the city.
Hi. And you chose her? As a lover boy, you know. Nduka, look at you. Look at you. Exchanging your future with lust with a woman. Are you all right? Everybody
talking about future. What makes you people think that my future is in the city? Must I go to the city? Okay, listen to me very well. Everybody must not go to the city to become rich. After all, there are people that became rich here in the village.
Okay, let me ask you, Nduka. What makes you think that your future is in this village?
Ekene, I'm not going to the city. I don't want to go to the city. As far as I'm here in the village with my girlfriend, Ifunanya, I am okay. And I can still be successful here in the village. Yes.
Nduka, let me ask you. What makes you think that your future is in this village?
Ekene, I'm not going to the city. I don't want to go to the city. As far as I'm here in the village with my girlfriend, Ifunanya, I am okay. And I can still be successful here in the village.
Nduka, is anybody manipulating you from anywhere?
Ekene, what is all this now?
Did Ifunanya put anything that you've eaten?
Yeah. Ekene, see, let's stop all this argument. So this is my future we're talking about, not your future. What is all this now? I love Ifunanya. As far as I am here in the village with Ifunanya, I can even start up a business here in the village, and I will be fine. If you want to go to the city, go to the city. Leave me alone. What is all this? I
just don't understand where I met you from.
Ekene, see, let me tell you something. Do you have some money? Let's go to that Pamiba and dress up.
Are you stupid? Do you think I'm as useless as you are? I'm talking to you about something important. You're talking about palm wine. You know what I mean, huh?
Ekene, don't hit me again. No. What is your problem, Seth? What is your...
Anyways, it's your business.
Ekene, go to the city now. Go to the city.
I should go to the
city now. What's the problem?
Zuzu, one.
Nenukisa chake Anyangoto Nenukisa muke Anyangoto Nenukisa chake Anyangoto Nenukisa muke Anyangoto Nenukisa chake Choki mara Nahoram ginanya Uwae
you here and nobody will know. Shut up. Open your legs. Open your legs. Open your legs. Open your legs.
This is true. Stand up.
No.
Stand up from there. Get up.
Vigilante boy.
This is what you do in
No. It's not what I did. No, please. It was a mistake. Please.
I don't water. Please. Are you hot? Sorry, I don't water. You,
please.
You will die.
Please.
I will must make sure I kill you.
Biko, please.
Oh, you're not scared.
Please.
The president of our village.
Please.
You are helping the...
Please. Please, forgive me, please. It wasn't intentional. I don't know what came over me. Please.
Don't worry.
Princess Biko, please.
Come on, move it.
Because
Move it. Come on, move.
Hey.
Move.
Biko.
Oh, you have the guts, the effrontery to rape the princess of our village. I said, move. Come on, move it.
Biko.
Come on, move. Please, I said, come on, move. Move. Come on, move.
I'm sorry.
Please,
I don't know what you're doing. Biko.
Come on, move.
Biko, no. I don't move. I'm moving, please. Biko, no.
Move.
Ayo. Move. Ayo.
Keep moving, my friend.
Biko, no.
Move it. Come on, move it.
Biko, I don't
Move.
I'm moving. Ayo. I don't want to move. Biko, no. Okay, I don't move. Biko.
Come on, move.
Biko, I don't move.
Move.
I'm moving.
Ayo.
Mama. Biko, no.
My friend.
Biko,
move it.
Biko, I don't move.
Move it, my friend.
Biko, no.
Move.
Move. I don't want to move.
Come on, move. Move.
Biko, please, I'm moving.
Move. Come on,
No. Please, no. I'm moving. Please, it wasn't intentional. Biko, no. Mama.
Woman, for your better interest, listen. It's better you and your daughter leave this place. Else, you know who and the others of this land will hear you. Come on!
Warning. If you make any further move, I'll machete you.
You! No!
Biko, no, Mama, Biko.
Mama, see my brother! I can't! I'm going. Come back! Mama, see my brother! I can't Mama, see how they are flogging my brother!
Biko, no. Please, now, please.
Come on, move.
Biko, no. Okay, please, now. Please,
come on, move. Move it.
This young man has committed evil in the eyes of the gods and human. He will face the music, and this will serve as a warning to all and sundry.
Oh no, Biko. Biko, don't kill me. Oh no, please don't kill me. Please. Okay, I am sorry. I will not do it again. Please, just give me this last chance. There's more. Oh no, remember, I am the only son of my mother. If you kill me, my mother will die. Please, because vigilante na mana, because ne bunam, because.
Come, Mama, because say your last prayer. I warned you, but you didn't listen.
Please, Biko, vigilante.
No, 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 no,
Ekene! Mama! Mama, you shouted aloud. What is it? What is the problem, Mama? Why did you shout?
I had a bad dream.
A bad dream?
A terrible one at that. I had a bad dream.
About what? Hey. Mama, what is it now? What happened?
Oh, darling. If not, please, is there any food in the house? I'm very hungry.
There is food in the house.
Oh, Biko, come on, put food.
Yeah, can I come back? Bring that seat and sit down. I want to talk with you. I had a dream. I had a very terrible dream a few hours ago.
Terrible dream? What is it about?
I dreamt that you raped Anyanwocha, the priestess. You were caught and executed by the vigilant boys.
Mama, please, permit me to laugh. Can't eat your Hey, Mama, Mama, you and I know that this dream cannot be real. Eh? This horrible dream is as a result of your extravagant imagination. Mama, your mindset is the problem. Eh? What can I do? That even as a madman, Mama cannot try rape.
Is that what you think? Please, my son, put yourself together. Stop thinking, talking, or dreaming about Anyanwocha. Anyanwocha is not of the same world with us. Please, I don't want you to bring shame and calamity in this family. Please.
Brother, please, we are begging you in the name of God to be careful, to avoid this horrible dream coming to reality. Biko, don't forget how perfect Mama's dream can be. Please, take a preventive tactics to stop this dream from coming to reality. Biko, one net. Biko.
Oh, wanna go no? Oh, I've heard you. Mama, I've heard you. Anyways, I've heard you, Mama. Ifo, please come and give me food. Let me eat. I am very hungry. Biko. Mama, let's go. Hey, Mama, rape Anyanwocha.
Ifo, what is it? Why is your face like this now? You're not looking bright at all.
How do you expect my face to be when you have not come to pay my bride price? Nduka, when are you coming to pay my bride price?
My love, calm down. You know I'm still trying to put things together. Eh?
How long are you going to put things together? You and I know you don't have source of income. Why not talk to your mother to give you one of your father's plots of land? When you sell it, you start a business of your own. From there, you start saving money, you can't pay my bride price. And I even have enough to save.
Hey! This is a wonderful idea, oh. Hey, Ifu, my love, you have carried me with idea. This is a wonderful suggestion. Do you know, I have never thought of this kind of idea in my whole life. Eh? Hey! No wonder they said, behind every successful man, there is a woman.
Yes.
My love. Once I said that lad now, you guys saw?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, this idea is very, very good. Hey, thank you for the wonderful idea.
No problem, my love.
Once we say that plot of land now, you guys saw? I really fair. Eh? Hey, do you know if I sell the land, I can even give you the money to hold for me?
Now.
If I want to do any small expenses, you give me small money. When I want to start a business, you give me the whole money. It's not our business. After I sell the land now, it will be for me to pay your bride price.
I can even talk to my parents. They'll just carry me and give you for just small money.
I don't happy forever. Out to myself.
Oh, baby.
This is how I go. This is how I go.
Hope you will do what I have advised you.
See, once I go home now, Piam, I will call my mother for a meeting. Mama, I want to sell one plot of land.
Bam.
I want to start a business.
And as you are telling her, you put be confident as a man.
Look, a big boy like me. I want to start a business.
It's
my land. That is my land.
You are the
my
man
father's
of the
land is my
house.
land.
Exactly.
Mama, I called you both here to discuss something very important.
All right, we are listening.
I want to start up a business in this village.
Business.
It's a very good idea.
Yes,
But the problem is the capital that you are going to use to start up the business.
Mama, I suggest we sell that land by the coconut tree so that I can use the money to start up the business.
No. You cannot. You cannot sell a land to start up a business you know nothing about. The money will collapse.
Nduka, Mama is right. You don't expect us to sell that land to start up a business you know nothing about. It's not possible. If we should sell that land and give you the money now, the money will eventually collapse. Think about it. What business do you know about?
I know a trade. Yes. I want to open up a provision and cosmetic store. There is nothing much to learn about it.
No, I insist you go and learn it first. Go and learn it.
Mama, you are getting on my nerves, so what is all this? Why are we debating whether to sell my own land or not? The land we are talking about is my own land. Yes, everything my late father left behind is mine, including this house. See, I don't need to beg anybody to sell what belongs to me. Never. I'm giving you both 48 hours to agree to my terms. Else, I'll do it my own way.
You see that person that is instigating you to come and sell this land. Tell the person that he or she will not succeed. Go and tell that person that he or she will not succeed.
Mama, come to think of it. Nduka is right.
Think of what?
Nduka is right.
How?
Okay, think of this now. Remember, all our late father's property rightfully belongs to him. So allow him have his way in this aspect.
And even at that, I know. But even at that, we should be by his side to guide this boy so that he will not make mistake. You know your brother. He will just squander the money on that. You don't know your brother. You don't know my son. We must be by his side to guide him. Do you understand me now? Yes. You must guide him. I called you here to let you know that your friend Ndoka here wants to sell his father's land. He said that he wants to use that money to start up a business. While you and I knows that Ndoka, my son here, has not learned any trade before. Ndoka has never learned any trade before. So what is he going to use that money for? I want to know if you are aware of that.
Yes, Mama. He already told me about his plans to sell one of his late father's land. And I feel his intentions are genuine. Mama, he said he wants to use it to open up a provision and a cosmetic shop. And if you ask me, Nduka here is a grown-up man, and I believe he knows what is best for him. So, Mama, I feel you should, grant him his proposal. Mama, imana ndeba isi na ifonye boliam kamo ye joshi. Instead of him going elsewhere to source for it or go to steal, when he has an asset, I advise Kemelia, Kaimulina na Nifa Yadim. Mama, I don't know if I spoke well. Okay.
I invited you so that you will be my witness. Huh? It's okay. You will be my witness that he wants to sell his father's land for a business.
It's okay.
In that case, let us start looking for a buyer now.
Mama, I already have a buyer. Yes.
A buyer for the land?
Yes.
Have you spoken with him?
Yes.
Who is that? Who is that? Ifeyinwa. What's holding this girl? Ify!
Mama,
bring the pan now. What's holding you there? Eh?
I'm coming.
Hurry up. Hurry up, please. Yeah?
Ogene, what is chasing him? I don't know. Mama, the way he ran in shows that all is not well. Something is wrong somewhere. Ogene Nashe, then who's Osin? Hey. What is wrong with this boy?
Great priestess of our Lord. Your presence in the sight of ordinary humans spells doom. What brings you to my household?
A sacrilege has been committed by the son of the soil.
What exactly is it? Who committed this sacrilege?
A boy was peeping at me while I was taking my bath.
Who is this person?
I don't know. I came to inform you to tell Ezemo to fish out the person, because if I do that myself, there shall be calamity in this land. I take my leave.
Hey! Arweme! Chiewere hiyeje.
Ekene, smoke now. Ekene! Ekene! What is wrong with you, Ekene?
Alusin je job. Alusin je lolu je ibo kunu ngawe nata. Alusin ne kulago nma. Momu ndeli. Asini ife na-ekwu ekwu ka a na-eme.
Asini ife ọbụla afụrụ n'ikpu nnewu na afịa na nke nwe na ọbụla alụ. Onye na-ekwu okwu ebe ekele dịrị Chukwu. N'ebe ọ bụ na ọ nọ ka unu kpọta ya. Kpọtana ya na-eke. Kpọtana ya n'olie. Kpọtana ya n'afọ. Kpọtana ya na nkwọ. Anya n'ụbọchị na-anọ. Arọ! Ọkụ ome. Ofon je jog ofon melo gini. Alusi na ekula agu nwa. Asi na ebe obuna Ekene dili Chukwu no. Asi nya bia. Asi na ebe obuna Ekene dili Chukwu no. Asi nya bia. Ebe obuna Ekene no. Asi nya bia. Ekumeku. Opwa. Opwa.
Ekene, what is chasing you? What is chasing you? Ekene, tell us what is wrong now so we will know how to help you. What is all this
Ekene,
now?
what is it now? Talk now.
Ekene.
Ekene.
Ekene!
Ekene. What is wrong with Ekene now?
Ekene dili Chukwu, I summon you. I summon you. I summon you. I summon you. I summon you, Ekene dili Chukwu. Appear. Yes.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you peep me while I was taking my bath? You will pay heavily for this sacrilege. Oh no, Ezemo. What's the penalty of this manner of sacrilege?
Death by hanging, Iron Watcher.
Then let the needful be done.
He must face the consequences. Yes. Ndinche, Polonia, Yopochia, Mbosinta Kaichwa no Willinch. Ndinche, Polonia, Yopochia, Bogelwood, Kaichwa no Willinch. Hey, Momo.
So after all, my dream has come to pass. After all my warning and advice to Ekene dili Chukwu nwam, Ekene dili Chukwu alaputagom, what will I do? Where will I go from here? Onye ka mma akọlụ, kedu onye ya agbakwute m?
Ekene. Mama.
Where will I go from here?
Who will I call? What will I do? What will I do?
Hey, Mama, is there nothing that can be done to appease Ezenwaimiri, goddess of fire and water? Stop by justice with mercy now, eh? Hey, Mama.
My daughter. Hey. Since I was little till now, the position of Anya Watcher is dreaded.
Hey.
Nobody pleads with her on matters like this.
Hey.
Or else, the punishment will be more severe. Look at me now. No. Hey!
Ekene, why? Why now? Of all the beautiful maidens in this village, why would he be Iron Watcher that he will lust after?
Ask me.
Why?
Ask me, my daughter.
Now look at the shame and humiliation he's putting us through. Hey,
he has succeeded.
Of all the beautiful maidens in this village, why would it be Iron Watcher that he will lust after? Why? Hey,
I don't know.
Now see the shame and humiliation he's putting us through,
just
Mama.
to bring shame and calamity into this family. That is all. He has succeeded now. Ekene dili Chukwu has succeeded.
Hey.
today, Ekene, the son of Mbamar, who committed that sacrilege, will be executed. Uma's divisional boy say, go and get him. Go and get the slave. Ekene Dilichukwu. That boy is big for nothing.
I am watcher.
Greetings to you people.
Igana,
boss,
what's happening? Where is the boy inside this place?
The boy? You mean Ekene?
Yes.
Boss, there is problem.
Hey, what is happening? Who took this boy out of this place?
Boss, I have no idea. After all, you're the one with the inner selfie.
What is happening?
I don't really get
What are we going to tell these people?
You mean what
the villagers?
There is a very big problem, oh boss. You are in trouble. A very big one, oh.
What is happening? So where is him?
Oh no. Is there more? I don't watch her. The boy in question, Ekene Dilichukwu, is nowhere to be found. We've searched everywhere, even in the cell. We couldn't find him.
Yeah? What are you talking? What are you saying? What did two of you take? You must go and bring that guy now.
Oh no, we couldn't find him. I'm telling you the truth. Ekene Dilichukwu is nowhere to be found.
What are you people talking about?
Ezemo, did you hear this? Another abomination. That Ekene is nowhere to be found. Hey.
What sort of joke is this? How could the boy be missing? Was the cell not well locked? Was the cell not well cemented?
Anyanwacha, the cell is well locked. There is no opening inside the cell.
Yes.
So it's quite mysterious. It's quite mysterious how he escaped from such a place. Bia. You vigilant boys must provide that young man now. Else.
No! You all should hold your peace while I retire to my shrine to consult the great goddess about the way of Ekene Dilichukwu.
No, Anyanwacha. We must finish everything here and now. Today is a market day where criminals are executed.
I said you all should go back to your various home. Go back while I consult the great goddess of Anyanwacha.
Alumelo. Today is a market day.
No. I said you all should retire to your various homes. Am I not the complainant? If I decide to withdraw the case, it's nobody's concern. So go back while I retire to my shrine to consult the great goddess of Anyanwacha. The great is the one you of our time. Go back. Go back to your home.
Alumel. Oh no. Hey! We came to tell you that your son is nowhere to be found. He has escaped so that he will not be sacrificed to the gods of our land. Send a message across to him that he can run but cannot hide. Wherever he is, tell him that the gods must fish him out. This is a warning.
What are these people talking about? What do they mean that my son is missing? What are they talking about?
Mama, it's obvious that these people have killed my brother and they're here talking nonsense.
Hey! Hey! What have I done? Why are the gods so harsh on me? Eh? Why do they want to put this such calamity on me? What have I done? My only son. Hey! Hey! Why will I suffer like this? Hey, what have I done? Eh? Why will I suffer like this? For what?
Okay.
Why? Eh?
Mama, don't cry.
My only son. Your only brother.
My brother.
Your only brother.
Shy. They said the Ekene is missing. That he is nowhere to be found in this village.
Mama, the rumor going on now is that Ekene has been sacrificed to the gods.
Chimo.
According to the tradition of this land.
Hey, Ekene. Hey. Hey. Mama. Hey, they have killed Ekene, my friend. Hey. Ekene, I warned you. But you won't listen. Eh? Mama, what's now? You're going to go boy. Mono, you're going to give joy. Eh? Chukwuka is my witness, so I tried everything possible to stop Ekene from entering into this trouble, but he won't listen. Now we're talking the pain. Eh?
I keep wondering how that poor woman will be feeling. Losing an only son.
Mama Ekene.
Hey! It's quite devastating. Let her accept my condolence.
Mama, this is very painful. This is very painful. I Ekene, my friend. Before you come on, I don't know, I don't know, now he's gone. My friend is gone.
Ekumeku. Okwa ni veku na boka na ekuna mdo. Emesia ya buzo onye mgbe. Ya? Nife na ekwu no bifa na ekwu okwu ya. Na ya bụ nwatakịrị na ekwu Ekene dị Chukwu ka na ekwu.
N'onye ọbụla mere alụ n'obodo. Na mma mgbaya ya gbam. A ga-ekpoli ya wee nyefe ndị mmụọ n'aka. No ga face the consequences dị n'ime ya. Ọ ife na-ekwu okwu ya. Bo no. Okwu ka ikwu, okwu dị ya. Okosima. Aro, tata bụ taa, echi bụ echi. Osenta na tu no wolenchi. Anyanwocha.
Greetings to you people. No, Ezemo. The gods have spoken. The gods has granted the young man amnesty. He will no longer be sacrificed to the gods.
But why? Why will the gods make such decision?
The young man in question have a great destiny. A good destiny that will be fulfilled and must be fulfilled. So he cannot die.
No, Anyanwocha. According to our tradition, anyone commits such abomination must be executed and must be sacrificed to the gods of our land, no matter his personality.
So what are you talking about? If someone commits a sacrilege and the gods decided to grant that person amnesty and pardon, who are we to say no? The gods have spoken and no one dare challenges the gods. I beg to take my leave.
Hey! No. Alumna. Why will the gods decide such decision?
There's a more carry the money.
Hey!
Carry the money.
Ifo,
Greetings, the great iron washer.
Greetings to you. Is your mother at home?
Yes, she's inside.
Call her for me.
Mama!
The great priestess of our time, the brilliant morning sun that shines to all and sundry. May your days be long.
May your days be long, the great iron washer.
It shall be well with you people.
He say,
the God has shown mercy to your son. He has granted him amnesty. Put him in order so that he won't land himself in trouble again.
thank you so much, our great priestess. May the gods continue to shower you with more blessings and wisdom. Thank you.
The great iron washer, you have wiped our tears. May your reign be rosy and fruitful.
You say,
long live the great iron washer.
It shall be well with this household.
You say.
You, take him inside. Make sure he freshen up. Give him plenty of food and vegetable so he will recover.
I will do so, the great iron washer. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Give me food twice we want.
What happened? See my friend!
Mama, if you see what happened, I'll tell you people.
That man that will buy the land.
The man will be coming tomorrow to make payment. Yes, Mama.
In that case, go and get your uncle involved for the transaction.
No problem now. I will let him know.
But you have to be very careful, Mom.
Oh, Mama.
Oh?
I'm careful.
Oh?
Mama Nduka, hey! Have you heard?
If the man, why are you so excited?
So you've not heard?
Heard what?
That Ekene is very much alive.
Eh?
Chimo.
Who?
Ekene.
Ekene is what?
The Ekene I know.
Sorry, elder sister. What is all this now? You see, I don't like, what kind of joke is this? Which Ekene are you talking about?
Ekene, your friend now. As I speak to you, Ekene is in his house right now.
Ekene
Ekene
is alive. Then what are you? Ekene is alive.
Hey.
Mama, you said my food is in the kitchen, Abby.
Go and eat, my son.
I am
Your
going to
food is
eat now.
ready.
If I even eat now, go and see Ekene. Can't eat and see Ekene. Ekene is alive.
If the man.
Mama.
Go one more. Go sure. Are you sure?
I saw Ekene and Daniel Watcher walk into their compound with my two crow eyes. Now I see the passion.
Oka Chineke si eme ife. Hey, Chineke Ekene dịrị
Hey.
you. Father, I thank you. Father, I thank you. Hey.
Hey, my son, so this is you.
This is me.
You're
Mama.
welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Hey!
Brother, honestly, I thought you would not make it back alive. Hey.
My sister, all thanks to Anyang Wacha.
Yeah.
Mama, I don't know what my story would have been
Child.
if not for Anyang Wacha.
May the name of the gods be praised.
Amen.
May the gods of our life be praised.
I am very much alive. Thank God. Yeah? Man,
You get it. Hey, thank God, dude. Do you know how Hey, thank God. I have been wondering how I will be able to cook without you. Hey, thank God you're alive. Hey, Ekene. So this is you. So you're alive.
Look, as you can see, I'm very much alive. I'm very much alive.
Child. So tell me, how were you able to escape?
Nduka, Anyang Wacha saved me.
Anyang Wacha?
Anyang Wacha showed me mercy. All thanks to her. Makachugu. I'm telling you,
Anyanwacha saved you.
I'm telling you.
But how?
Anyanwacha, please. Please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please don't kill me, Biko. Biko, please, I'm begging you. Please.
Why would a handsome-looking young man like you do a thing like that? What do you hope to achieve seeing me while taking my bath?
The great Anyanwacha, please. I am sorry. Sincerely speaking, I can't tell what came over me. Please. Sampa justice with mercy, Biko. Don't kill me.
Rise. Rise. Come close. Come close.
Thank you very much, Anyanwacha. Thank you very much. Thank you for keeping my life. I appreciate. Thank you. I appreciate.
Follow me. Follow me.
Oh my goodness. Hey! You're very lucky. You are very, very lucky. Hey! Naturally, it's not like that. The Anyanwacha we all know shows no mercy to anyone that steps on her toe.
I know, Nduka. But my case is different.
Yes, your case is different. Hey! But again, you had nasty guts, so how could you go as far as peeping Anyanwacha? You got you. You got to talk again.
Naiga, you will not understand. I don't know. There is something about this Anyanwacha that makes me keep thinking about her. And whenever I think about her, I have these good feelings, you know. Goosebumps. You know.
Leave that in. Leave that in. Ekene, you have to kill that feeling, so you need to kill that feeling. Listen to me. It cannot work between you and Anyanwacha. Anyanwacha is an ordinary woman. Can't you understand? She is not an ordinary woman. It can't work out between you and her. See, be very careful because next time, Ekene, next time, you may not be this lucky. I'm telling you honestly. If you try it again next time, you may not be this lucky.
I've heard you.
Kill that feeling, Ekene. Kill that feeling and have peace.
Anogom, thank you. You should be happy for me.
I'm happy. How do you mean? I'm very happy.
Man, I don't know. I can't even remember where I kept my slippers.
Slippers kept. You should be happy. You should be happy that. Now is the time to hustle. Sister, do you know this money have special smell? Chai! Ndondo. Ndondo. Chideke. Ega amaka. Now I can become useful to myself. Let me see anybody that will say that Ndoka does not have any business in this village again. Let me see anybody that will refer to me as jobless boy in this village again. Oh, Chinemo.
Ndoka.
Sister?
To add with what Mama said before she left. Biko, one nwoke. Please, I'm begging you. Be careful. Be careful. As you can see, we did not remove 1 kobo from this money. Please be careful.
Sorry, elder sister. Don't worry yourself. Mama have already said everything before she left. So, and I heard everything she said.
Okay.
I promise to make you both proud.
Biko,
yes.
Biko, ayokwa. The whole money is for your business. But please, do not disappoint us. I want you to go and make us proud. I want you to make us proud.
Trust me now.
And I wish you good luck. If ogologo.
Thank you so much. If I am my love, Hi, I owe you a lot. In fact, you are the owner of all that I have.
Obi, you're making me feel on top of the world.
Look at this one. You are already on top of the world.
Okay.
We are moving with full capacity. Don't worry. I am going to spoil you.
Are you serious?
I will spoil you.
I can't wait. Obi.
Yes, babe.
Now that you have the money, what business do you wish to run with it?
I want to open up a provision and cosmetic store in this village.
Osino provision. You mean if I allow you, you use all this money for provision? Mbao, I'm not in support.
Okay. Now tell me, what kind of business do you want me to do? You know you're my special advisor and my girlfriend at the same time. So tell me your mind.
So I'm not your special advisor. So Badiro, Obim, I would like to introduce to you a business that gives double of what you invest. It's called bulldozer. When you put money, you get double of it. When you put another one, you get double of it. That is just it. It's a networking business.
You mean if I invest money, I get double? You mean if I put in money, within how many hours?
Just 24 hours, you get double of what you put in.
You mean if I invest like 10,000 naira now, within 24 hours, I'll get 20,000?
Ozubonu, hey, you are the only one that have not heard about this bulldozer business.
You're too much. You're too much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me how the business works.
I will have to give you a code. Nyamia, let me help you.
Ozugbo.
It has been sent. Hold on, they will send you an account. Send the gun here.
If I
immediately.
This is account number now.
Yes, I've done it. The account number, you pay in any amount of your choice. They will receive it. Give them some time. 24 hours, you receive an alert.
Let me try with 15,000.
15,000?
Yes.
Let's
see how it works.
So,
you mean I should transfer money to this account now?
Yes, send 15,000 to this account number.
All right.
You see, sometimes I always have this at home. You know, it helps me to chill myself. You know, just like I used to have chilly feelings and goosebumps whenever I see your face.
You're funny. Anyway, it's nice. Oh, this palm wine is so sweet. Which person's hands of palm wine is this?
This is Nkabo Akanku Madoka. This is Madoka's hand of palm wine. It's very, very good.
I like it. It's sweet.
Yes, everybody likes it. Madoka's hand is very good.
Okay. I was so bored, so I feel I should come have quality time with you. So, thanks for keeping me company. You're just making me happy and laugh.
I'm glad that you can laugh because of me. And thank you very much too for making out time to come and see me. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm happy whenever I'm close to you. So, don't worry. I will always come see you.
Thank you very much, and I wish you can always be bored, so you can always come around.
Oh, you're funny. Okay, I beg to take my leave now. I've tried. I've stayed long.
All right.
Okay.
Sit more.
Okay, I will.
If you want, I can.
No, it's fine. Whenever I need it, I'll call for your attention.
So let me.
nenu kisi amuke. Anyanwụ ọcha o, nenu kisi achake. Chọrọ ka ị mara na ahụrụ m gị n'anya o. Ụwa 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 anyanwụ ọcha ahụrụ m gị n'anya o. Anyanwụ ọcha o, nenu ka isi achake. Anyanwụ ọcha o, nenu ka isi amuke. Anyanwụ ọcha o, nenu ka isi achake. Achọ m ka ị mara. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya o. Anyanwụ ọcha o, nenu ka isi achake.
Ife Ironwa.
Mama.
What is happening?
Mama.
Hey!
I don't know. Did you see them on your way?
I saw them. I saw Ekene and Anyanwocha walking along the road as if they are lovers.
Can you imagine?
Hey.
Mama, Anyanwocha came here today and spent much time with Ekene.
What?
Mama, you need to see how they were drinking palm wine together. I don't even understand what is happening again, no.
Hey! Chukwu Okike Abiama. What is all this now? Ekene just want to put us in trouble. May the gods come to our rescue because I don't know what is going on.
Mama, this thing is not ordinary. You need to see how they were acting like lovers, Mama.
I saw them. I saw them. What's all this?
Oh no, Madueke, oh Guinea, speak to me now.
Hey! Oh no, abomination is happening in our land.
How do you mean by that?
Oh no, what is Anyanwocha doing with the son of late Maazị Mbamalo?
I don't understand.
Oh no, I saw Anyanwocha with my two korokoro eyes walking along the street with that useless boy as lovers. Oh no.
Well, this is not a good story at all.
Oh no, okwe ka nsi ka mbia gwa gị maka na eme ngwa ngwa eme ara ọdachi ụkpọrọ okpoko gburu ọkwa ntịchiri ya. Oh no, anakwa mbem.
Madekwe,
oh no,
thanks for the information. Thank you, God.
You're welcome. Oh no, I better take my leave.
Okay.
Oh no, ịma na ndị Igbo na-atụ ino si na eme ngwa ngwa eme ara ọdachi. N'ụkpọrọ okpoko gburu ntịchiri ya. Oh no.
Thank you.
Yes, no problem.
Ife Ironwa, what is wrong with your brother? I don't understand anymore.
Mama, I don't understand this your son again, no. I don't understand.
Ekene delu Chukwu. Okay. Ekene.
Mama.
Ekene delu Chukwu. Come back here! What is the meaning of that rubbish?
Meaning of what rubbish, Mama?
Ekene delu Chukwu.
Mama.
Ekene delu Chukwu.
Mama.
You have started again. You have started again. So after all the incidents that almost took your life, you still have the guts to walk side by side with Anyanwocha. Are you all right?
Mama, what did I do wrong? Is it my fault? Even you one here is my witness. I was behind the compound, the backyard, splitting logs of wood. Why suddenly Anyanwacha walked into the compound and said she only came to spend some time with me? Mama, what would I have done? Would I have chased her away? What mandate do I have to do that, Mama?
Mama, you should have given her reasons that will make her leave quickly. You should have given her excuses, body language that will make her know that you don't want her around you. But no, you will not do that. Makanisi maybe.
Mama, you are only making a mountain out of a molehill. Anyanwacha and myself, we don't have anything in common. She only came to check up on me, Mama. Jono, Ifeyinwa. Ifeyinwa, did I invite her to come over?
Ekene, why not listen to what Mama is saying? Avoid Anyanwacha to avoid stories that touches the heart. Is it hard? Mba, let her go.
Mama, but she only came to check up on me.
Ekene Diluchukwu, check up on you. As what? As your girlfriend, as your wife, or as your sister.
Mama, you should just... Mama. Mama, come to water.
My hands are clean, no. If what am I? Or the water.
Anyway, but she only came to check up on me, Mama.
Ezemo, evil is about to play in our land.
What are you talking about, no?
It's no longer news that Anyanwacha is seeing that boy, son of late Mbamara.
Are you sure of what you are saying or no?
Ezemo, I am very sure. I am very sure. They were seen alongside each other, walking as if nothing is happening. Ezemo, we need to do something as soon as possible before Omaivam Nanya.
No. We will not sit and watch the unthinkable take place in our land. Mba, not in my own region. Hey! Oh no. We have to do something. Very fast. It won't happen. No! Ekumeku! Ogene ka na-ekwu. Hey! Oh no. It won't happen.
No one is more. What brought you both to my shrine?
Anyanwacha. Ndị be anyị na-asị na onye a na-ekele ekele adọrọ m ikpo nto.
That is true, Ezemo.
Anyanwacha. Everybody in this village has been aware of your closeness with Ekene, the son of late Mbamara. And according to our tradition, you are forbidden to be close with young men.
Yes, Anyanwacha. You are not supposed to be seen around any man that has not been initiated into the great masquerade band of our land. That is the main reason why we came here. You know it is an abomination for an old man to sit and watch the goats deliver in Teta.
You both have spoken wise. But I wish to let you both know that I am not close to that young man. That young man was called by the gods. And that young man is after the God's heart. I need to soak him into the things of the spirit in direction of the gods.
But Anyanwacha, whatever we do should be in line with our tradition. What exactly did the gods tell you about this young man should be related to us. So we go about it customarily.
Ezemo, I have told you that that man was called for a purpose, and the purpose is not yet clear. When it's clear, I will carry you both along.
No.
Ekene, I hear that you and Anyanwocha now goes out. Is it true?
Hey, nah, Kiba kukonkazi kwa. Nandi mmado, What kind of talk is this? Of a truth, Anyanwocha came to visit me today. Yes, she spent some time with me. After which, I saw her off. That's all. Kebo kunkazi kwa namunia, we are going out. Where is it coming from?
Ekene, so it's true. So the rumor is true. Ekene, what did Anyanwocha come to do with you? Ekene, a man and a woman don't tango in vain. For Anyanwocha, who is forbidden by tradition from seeing or coming close to you, Ekene, there's something fishy. Ekene, there is something fishy. You and Anyanwocha are gradually developing affairs, and you don't know, or maybe you know and you're pretending. Yes, you're pretending.
Because where is this talk coming from? I just told you now that she only came to visit me. We're having an affair. I know and I don't want to. I don't understand.
Ekene, don't bring bad name to yourself. Ekene, have Anyanwocha. What is your problem? Ekene, there are lots of beautiful maidens in this village. Choose one from them and have peace and leave Anyanwocha. You are a very young and handsome man. Look at your beard now, very fresh.
Okay.
What is your problem, Ekene? Leave Anyanwocha and have peace.
I don't understand. From being a handsome man and what is? I don't understand. You are beginning to join my mother and my sister to stress me.
Ekene,
I just told you now that Anyanwocha only came to visit.
As what? Only came out to visit you. As what? As again, what do you mean she only came around to visit you? I want you to explain to me. Why did she come around to visit you? Did you buy anything from her?
No.
Are you owing her? Is she? What is the reason?
Hey, what is it? So nkan na gwagi na when you come na Anyanwocha about it.
Buto ya boye gara.
Nnem jomo. If my mother asks me, you will ask me. Nkiji will say again.
Ekene. How many times did I call you? Ekene bananya. Hapo Anyanwocha makandoge. Uko makandugo.
Makandoge. Listen to me. The fact that you're my friend does not give you the right to talk to me and you're drawing your ears. You're calling my name. No, my mother will call me. You too, you will call me. Or plan work. So she only just visited me. It's not the rumor. One nigga kwanti. Obuna uho my friend. Ima kwa kaisi emiao. No mmogia na okaga kanaro. Mmogia okaga kanaro.
Imomia.
Kenga wini kuku na doma kananti. What kembo senkabido.
I don't have to.
I don't
have to fight today, Ekene. I don't have to.
On your strength to fight again. Obuna ima kaisi emiana. Mmogia na imalo imako sadi. Icho kai bankata. No, don't come here to warn me. How far is it for now?
Hey, Maga don't pay. Shout hallelujah. Chai, Nduka, you're a big boy. Nduka, you're a very big boy. You're a very big guy. Maga don't pay also.
Nduka. What is it? This one you're celebrating like someone that hits jackpot.
I'm a big boy. You won't understand. But don't worry. When I come back, I'll explain to you. First of all, let me go and meet my special advisor. Do you know what? Nduka is a big boy. Nduka is a big boy. I saw. I'm a big boy. I saw. I'm a big boy. I saw. Nduka is a big boy. 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 Come on, Nduka is a big boy. My one and only special advisor. Your mindset works like fire.
You can say that again. So what is it this time?
Hey, do you know that I received a lot of 30,000 naira?
Are you serious?
It was like magic. I couldn't believe it.
I told you.
My account. 30,000 naira received. I said, look at the big boy.
I told you that business is very lucrative.
Very, very lucrative, my love. If Nanyam. Hey.
So tell me. What are you going to invest this time?
You know, any good business is worth investing on. So this time, I am going to invest woto. Investment woto.
I can't wait. So when and how much are you going to invest?
You want to hear what I want to hear? You want to hear how much I want to hear? Okay. I am going to invest the sum of 450,000 naira.
Are you serious?
So that by tomorrow, by this time tomorrow, I will receive a lot. Da.
Boom boom.
No. That boom boom is too much. Oh. My phone will burn. No, it's small phone. Da.
Don't worry. It's going to work. You enjoy it. Yes.
Hey, this business is very lucrative.
Ngwanu now. When is it now?
Let me do it immediately.
Are you serious?
No.
Ngwanu, do you have?
See, let me tell you something. Mpoka is a big boy. I am a very big boy. You understand? Fucking big boy. Who they?
Men know the thing. Hope there is network. Nobody.
Smile.
The thing, because hope you have network.
Yeah, why not?
You know, 450,000 naira is a big money.
That's the account, right?
Yes, that's the account. And if you invest such amount, you have a very big profit. Good profit. Has it gone? Let me see.
You don't go. Okay. So by this time tomorrow now, I'll be hearing in my alert. Da. Then me and you.
Sweetheart.
Let's go and enjoy ourselves.
Are you serious?
You are the best. See, let me tell you
like
something. You are the best. Don't mind those people talking rubbish. You are the best.
Do I care? See, I'm a good advisor.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Anyanwụ ọcha nenu kisi nwoke. Anyanwụ ọcha nenu kisi ekoli.
Anyanwụ ọcha nenu kisi achake. Anyanwụ ọcha nenu kisi amuke. Anyanwụ ọcha nenu kisi achake. Anyanwụ ọcha nenu kisi amuke. Anyanwụ ọcha nenu kisi achake. Chọrọ ka ị mara na ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ụwa anyanwụ ọcha na ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Anyanwụ ọcha nenu ka isi achake. Anyanwụ ọcha nenu ka isi amuke. Anyanwụ ọcha nenu ka isi achake. Achọ m ka ị mara na ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Anyanwụ ọcha nenu ka isi achake. Achọ m ka ị mara na ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ụwa anyanwụ ọcha na ahụrụ m gị n'anya.
Wow! What a melody! Your song has melted away the burden in my heart. You've really made my day great. Oh!
And you too. You were my dream come true. Ayamocha, see, whenever I remember you, my heart rejoices like the river. Thank you very much for loving me.
And thank you for making my day great.
I appreciate.
I don't know you can sing like this. You just look how you just make me happy. I was just lost and It was just going. Like, I never wanted this to stop.
I really appreciate the fact that my song can make you laugh and smile. Thank you very much.
I should be thanking you here. Because just look at how you're making me happy. You're making me laugh. I'm just smiling. Like
I still have lots of songs to sing for you. Yes.
No, with this you just do here, I believe you.
Yes.
Before I get carried away, serve yourself.
Oh.
Thank you very much. You're just making me happy. It's as if you remove a spell from my eyes.
Ayamucha, you really would not understand. See, if anybody had told me that I would one day sit side by side with you, I wouldn't believe.
Oh, just stop this. I want this to continue. I always want to be by your side because you make me feel happy. You're making me feel the way I've never felt before.
Thank you once again. My dream come true.
You're welcome. Please, I want to be hearing more of this.
Sure, you will.
And I want you to be coming close.
Really?
Yes.
I will always come close.
Alright, just eat your apple. You like it?
So you're still on this. Just know that you will go to the market, buy things, come back, cook the food I'll eat before going to this meeting.
Mama, I know now. That's why I'm doing fast.
So if you like, stay here. If you like, be fast about it.
Greetings, Ono.
Greetings, Ono.
Woman, I wish to remind you that the ear that refuses to listen goes off when the head is cut off.
Oh no. To what do I owe all these proverbs?
Your son, Ekene. Warn your son. Tell him to stay off Anyan Watcher. He should stay off the path of Anyan Watcher. Or else the consequences will be heavy on him. Warn him. Warn him.
Mama, I wonder why Ekene is doing this. What is so difficult for him to leave the priestess alone so that there will be peace?
Ekene wants to kill me. Ekene Diluchukwu wants to kill me. But before he does that, I'll kill myself. Finish this thing and come and go to the market.
Oh.
Okay. Ekene wants to kill me. No problem. He has succeeded. Let him go and come back.
Mama, food is ready. Mama, I said food is ready.
I heard you the first time. I am not hungry.
Hey.
I don't want to eat.
Mama, why don't you want to eat? Is it because of Ekene?
I don't want to eat. Mama. Leave food aside for now.
Mama, don't tell me you want to starve yourself because of Ekene. No, now. Mama, you need to eat. Biko. Oh? Yeah, let's go. You need to eat.
Ekene wants to kill me. No problems. You will succeed.
Mama, I know how troubled you are, but you still need to eat.
No.
Hey! Ekene, you say today you must kill me. You must kill me! Kill me, let me die and rest. Kill me!
Mama, what is it? What have I done this time?
I said I want to die. What part of I want to die don't you understand? I want to die. And you must kill me today. If today, you must kill me. Let me die and rest.
Ekene. So, after all the warning, you are still going out with the priestess. Why now? Because, Kowakena, I don't understand. Why? Why are you doing like this?
Oh, Mama. So this is what this drama is all about, Because of the priestess. No, why I can't go no. Mama, you just leave me alone. You people should leave me to choose whom I have years for.
I want to
Mama, go to my car.
I want to
leave
die.
me alone.
I want to die.
Mama,
I want to die.
Anya Water and myself were in love.
Hey!
And there is nothing anybody can do about it. Una look here. Leave me alone.
Hey! Okay. You must kill me. You must kill me. Either I die or you die.
Mama, did you hear him? That's not love.
Love! With the priestess of this land. No problems.
Nonsense.
You want to bring calamity into this family.
That they are in love
with the priestess of this land.
My love.
My king.
I've been meaning to ask you, why did you choose this path? I mean, why did you choose to be a priestess?
I was initiated into it when I was only but a child. If I had come of age when they wanted to initiate me, I wouldn't have accepted.
What sort of a life is this? How can a beautiful and energetic girl like you live and die without a man? It's not a good one at all.
Yes, it's not a good one. All this while, before I met you, I have been dying of loneliness, and that made me a nagging fellow. Nothing gives me joy. But now that you're here, everything has changed. Thank you for bringing joy to my life.
Yeah. I really appreciate you for appreciating my love.
Thank you for making me happy.
I'm speechless.
Thank you for making me happy.
Bim. How are you? What is it?
You kept me waiting.
Sorry, now I was doing something. And why are you shivering?
Why won't I shiver? This is 24 hours. No data from my phone. No alert at all. What is going on?
Listen, you have to calm down. They will follow due process. Very soon you'll receive an alert, okay?
But why is this one delaying? Unlike the first one. The first one, within 24 hours, everything happened. And I was very happy. Why is this one delaying?
Nduka, listen. This money you invested is very, very big. So they're going to take extra time to fix it. So that the money will come very, very massive. And you will enjoy it. Making me feel as if I've done wrong in bringing you into this business.
Nana, are you sure? Are you sure that are you sure? I'm beginning to worry you.
I am 100% sure, Obin. Come now. Am I not your advisor again?
This I don't.
Okay. Come, let me tell you something.
Tell me here now.
Don't worry, you'll like it.
See, this data.
Come,
My love.
My king.
I want to tell you something. I hope you won't get angry.
I won't get angry. Just feel free and say it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say it.
Okay.
Ekene, just say it. Go on, Ekene. Let me hear it.
You mean I should say it?
You're fidgeting. Say it. What is it? I'm all ears. Ekene.
I don't know how to say it.
Just calm down. Calm down. Okay. I'm all ears. Say it.
Okay. I want you to marry me. I want you to be the mother of my unborn kids. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
You mean you want me for a wife?
Yes, of course. Look, Ayanwacha, you have everything a man would want in a woman. And therefore, if I don't marry you, I will lose a lot in life.
Ekene, are you okay? Is something wrong with you? Ekene, you don't have fear. Ekene, no, just because I let you come close to me, that's why you have the guts to say that. Ekene, are you mad?
Sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't say. I won't ask again. Sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Sorry, but I just asked.
Hey! I don't want to hear anything again.
Okay, sorry. Oh, I didn't mean to upset you. Okay, I'll just
Sit down!
Just sit down.
I said close your mouth and sit down.
But I asked you. You said.
Hey, shut up and sit down.
I've shut up. Sorry. Hey. I
said shut up and sit down.
I'm sitting. Sorry, but you said that was why I asked if we're going to get angry.
I can't close your mouth.
I've closed my. I just want to go. Close
your mouth and sit down.
I'm sitting now. Sorry. Please don't kill me. Come just now. Oh, let me just go.
I said sit down and close your mouth.
Okay, I'm sitting. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry, be cool. Sorry.
You're brave. You're a brave man. Ekene, you're a real man. And I'm so happy, like, you just showed me that you're a real man. Like,
I'm a real man.
Yes. No, I am fine. See, everything you said before, just say it again. I just want to hear it. Like.
But the apple was it?
Don't worry, just say it.
The apple was it? Oh,
yeah, come.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Oh, Ekene, like, I want to hear everything you told me before. Just repeat it and don't miss any sentence. Just repeat. Just say it.
I don't want to say again.
Ekene, please just say it.
You're scaring me.
No.
I should say it.
Yes.
Okay. I want you to marry me. I want you to be the mother of my unborn kids. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
You mean you want me for a wife?
Yes, of course. Look, Anyanwacha, you have everything a man would want in a woman. And therefore, if I don't marry you, I will lose a lot in life.
Thank you for choosing me. I will be a good wife unto you. I promise to make you the best man in this whole wide world.
And I promise to make you the queen of my world. Thank you very much. I'm so excited.
Me too.
This is actually a dream come true. Thank you.
You're the best.
Yes!
I can't just wait to be with you.
What brings you to my shrine, Anyanwacha?
Ezemo, I'm here to make my intention known to you.
What intention?
I am no longer interested to be the priestess of this land.
What?
Therefore, I denounce my vocation. Take it to all and sundry.
Are you sure of what you just said? Or is that a mere threat?
Ezemo, I have made my point clear to you. I am not here for jokes or play. I said I'm no longer interested to be the priestess of this land. I take my leave.
Hey! Abomination.
I don't need a soothsayer to tell me how troubled your heart is. What is it that soiled your mind?
A goat is about to give birth in a tighter right under our watch.
Ezemo, this your adage is so deep, but what it implies is still an enigma to me. Ezemo, what happened?
No, Anyanwacha has threatened to denounce her vocation.
What?
Oh yes. She said it clearly that she is no longer interested to be the priestess of this land.
Oh the God, but where is this coming from?
It's boldly written on the wall. Anyanwacha is distracted by that useless son of late Mbamalo.
She is denouncing her faith because of that young man. But Ezemo, we will not let that happen.
Oh yes.
Before the wrath of the gods fall upon us.
You are right. You are right. You are right. And we must do something. Ozugbo, anya man nọ na mmiri nchaba anya.
Ijema, I appreciate you for all your diligent service to me. But right now, I want you to go back home. Remove all these clothes you're wearing and engage yourself in something useful.
As it pleases you, great Anyanwacha.
It shall be well with you and your household.
You say...
You can go now.
Mama, am I not old enough to make my own decisions? Hey, Mama,
I know that you are old enough to make your own decisions. And I know that you are a man. But I am a mother.
Get him! Arrest him!
Oh no! Oh no, arrest me for what?
You think you can cause commotion in this land? A child who dares dance this dance of Surugede does not know that Surugede is the dance of the spirits.
No! Let him be. The innocent person you came here to arrest has nothing to do with my decision. If you dare lay your hand on him again, I will struck you all with an incurable disease.
happening now? Nothing. Nothing now. By now I'm supposed to have received some data from my phone now. What is going on? It's almost 48 hours. No credit alert. Eh? Wait, oh. Does it mean that if Naya scammed me? No. This cannot be a scam. Let me call Naya on phone. Switched off. If Naya... Wait. No. Chineke. Hope no switched off. Oh. If Naya... If Naya buomo. If Naya tilium. Hey! What do I do now?
Nduka! What is going on, Nduka? What is going on? Hey! I hope he has not fallen into the trap of scammers. Nduka! Mama!
Ezemo and Onowu, what brought you to my house?
Ugegbe, something unthinkable is taking place in our land. Evil has become the order of the day. So we deemed it wise to come to you for rescue.
So what's the problem?
Ugegbe, ife okoko bụ mmiri achụ abụrụ obele ife.
Eziokwu.
Ugegbe, since the death of Anyanwocha's parents, you have been her guardian until she became the priestess of this land.
You are right.
Anyanwocha has threatened to denounce her faith. That she is no longer interested in being the priestess of our land.
Why would she do a thing like that?
Ugegbe, Anyanwocha is distracted by one boy in this our community, the son of late Mbamara. All of a sudden, they started having feelings for each other. So we came to you to talk sense into her.
I have heard all that you have said. Meanwhile, I would like to apologize on her behalf for causing such crisis in the land. And I promise to talk some senses into her head and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Thank you. Dalo.
Nukunni, this one you visited me. I hope there is no problem.
You already know there is a problem and you are asking. Eh?
Nukunni.
Why have you decided to raise dust in this land?
How do you mean, Nne?
How do I mean? Onowu and Ezemo came to me. They complained you are threatening to denounce your faith as the priestess of this land.
Yes, Nemuku. I am tired of this lifestyle. I am tired of wearing one attire every day walking around. I want to be like every other maiden in this community. I want to enjoy life. If I have known or I was of age when they wanted to initiate me into this, I wouldn't have accepted. Now I know and felt the bondage in this lifestyle in me. Please talk to them to accept my decision. Please, Nne.
Anyanwacha, the truth of the matter is this. You can only take the horse to the stream, but you cannot force the horse to drink from the stream. But I've heard you. I've heard
you. Thank you so much for understanding me.
You're welcome.
That's why I love you, Nne.
I love you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My children, Anyanwacha has given me her candid reason why she must not continue in this path. She said she wants to enjoy her life like her fellow maidens. She also complained that she was initiated into this lifestyle when she knew nothing about life. She maintained her reason to quit this path. So, I suggest that we respect her decisions. Yes. Let's dethrone her and replace her with another, so that she will not commit any atrocity while she is still on her dirty clothes.
Hey! Mili amwe finanya. Mili male finanya. Ugebwe.
Nah.
Thank you so much.
No.
We will do as you've advised.
No. May the gods bless you.
Ise.
Oh, Ifunanya.
Who is the fan?
Okay. I'm looking for Ifunanya, please. Did you see her?
Ifunanya? Ifunanya, here no be house, so.
No, stop now. If not to him that this is where she lives.
This thing a wrong number. Ifunanya na my guy in the condemned here. So my boyfriend live here.
In boyfriend? Ifunanya mu? Okay, what are you talking about? What do you mean Ifunanya mu? What do you mean boyfriend? Ifunanya mu, what is boyfriend?
Calm down, make I shock you like a twerk. Ifunanya what you see? He carry my guy 400,000. And my guy they find out with police everywhere.
Do you know that Ifunanya won my 500,000.
Listen, I don't need Ifunanya. The play you can
talking about now is Ifunanya 500,000.
Come on here, the play you can go to business. You can't hold me for neck. I don't know.
My father's land.
Mugu, ready? Come out here, no be Ifunanya house. No go no wow. Mother no na be no dey mburi Ifunanya dey e be ki woro mbache. Hey! Ifunanya dupe my guy. Come dupe this Mugu too. Hey! Now wow. If you say na me you do this kind of thing. If I fall for you, me turn to fire my landlord. You no go fit chop me if na. Hey!
Yanduka, this is why your face is like this. What happened? Huh? Nduka, please, talk to me. What happened?
My sister, where will I start now? Where will I start to explain myself? Hey, can see je. Hey, Nduka.
Nduka, please, talk to me. I'm all ears. What really happened?
How can I start to talk now? Tell me now. How can I start to talk? That hey, Ifunanya boom.
Wait. Chiru. I hope you've not tampered with that 500 naira I just gave to you.
Hey, that 500 naira is gone. If Naya duped me and run away, if Naya tell Alamazo, if Naya rigom, I'm if Naya rigom erim, I'm not the plan.
Hey!
It's a number big boy, I'm no more, I'm number. Hey, hey!
Wait, you mean if Unaya duped your 500 naira?
That 500,000. Hey, that 500,000 is gone. Oh.
Hey!
If Nanya have duped me of that 500,000, I ran away.
Nduka,
this is one of your jokes, you better stop it. What are you telling me? That the 500,000 I gave to you for your business is gone? Yeah,
no, now it's not my fault. Now you should say a bulldozer or one network business. I don't know it's bulldozer or bull what. Boy, say if I put 10,000, I'll get 15,000. Say if I put 15,000, I will get 30,000. I put even 15,000, they knock me 30,000. So I now invested 450,000 so that my account will knock that with a lot of credit alert.
I did not hear anything. When Mama returns, you can tell her this whole story.
Hey, how can I?
You are duped, Okoya.
Hi. How can I tell Mama this thing now? How can I tell? How can I? Whatever, please help me.
You don't have sense. Your brain is empty.
My brain is empty. If
live.
Please. 500,000 naira is gone. So I'm not a big boy again. Nduka is not more a big boy. Hi. Nduka, you're a fool. Nduka, you are a fool. You are a very big fool. If Naya, you are a betrayer. If Naya, boom.
Mongunje dog. Here you are. Arabnago. Arabnago mongunje dog megu no go kenezienu. Ayejezikwo. Ayejezikwo go na be mmụọ ka anyị je turu go we nata mmọnwụ. Ihe ri ebe mmọnwụ. Ogini ka na-eme n'enu. Maka na anyanwụ ụtụtụ n'ukwelezu ugwu. Na anyanwụ tie n'oge tisi ike mmọnwụ. Ekumeku mmọnwụ nje je ọgụ. Ihe ri ebe mmọnwụ nje ri. Anyị ejezikwo. Anyị ga-ejezikwa ego ube mmụọ. Okwu ejelu na agbu ebu ka na-ejekwa na mbụ. Ihe ri ebe mmọnwụ. Anyị ga-ejezikwa ogwu m ego nwere mmụọ. Ogwu njelu na be mmụọ jegu wee gbuo wee tụrụ ugo wee nata. Anyị ga-ejezikwa Arabnago mmọnwụ. Ihe mmụọ. N'okwu n'ibe mmụọ ka anyị na-eme. Ogini ka anyị ga-akọlụ chi mụ. Mmọnwụ ndeli. Anyị ga-ejezikwa ogwu be mmụọ. Ide mmiri. Okwukwu. Osimiri. Ajana. Osimiri. Ajana. Tata ka nneke wapịa. Na-abụ eze nwaanyị. Ana m ekewapịa. Na-abụ ndị mmiri. Ana m ekewapịa. Na-abụ ekelie. Na-abụ ya bụ ọlụ eze nwaanyị nke nyere ya. Ọkụ ome. Ekumeku mmọnwụ nje eje ọgụ biko bịa keneli. Anyị ga-ejezikwa. Anyị ga-ejezikwa ọgụ be mmụọ. Ekumeku anyị ga-ejezikwa ọgụ be mmụọ. Anyị ga-ejezikwa. Ihe ri ebe mmọnwụ. Anyanwocha. Today I relieve you from the duty of priestess of this land. Henceforth, you are no longer the priestess of this land. You will live like your fellow maiden. Ekumeku. Oshimili. Idemili. I take you away from her. Yes. You are free. Yes.
free. Yes. You are free.
My love.
My king.
So finally my dreams came true.
Yes, of course. And we are expecting our baby girl.
Baby what?
Baby girl, of course.
I do not want to hear anything, girl. It has to be a boy.
My king, no. I want a girl first.
A girl?
Yes.
A girl, so that I would use knife to start chasing all these men around the way I was chasing you, eh?
No,
my love, just imagine you had a brother. Imagine what he would have done to me all the while I was chasing after you.
Am I not a good girl?
You are a good girl, but what I'm saying is, no, sorry, not Iha. The baby inside here is a boy.
No, he's a girl.
Junior.
No. Is a girl. I want a girl first.
I said,
and it will look like me.
Eh?
Yes, now. She will look like me.
The shot.
Even if you're the one that puts it, she will look like me. Am I not the one that is carrying it?
If I shoot a shot, I need to know the angle I'm placing it. I place it to the side of a boy.
I'm a keeper and I catch it in the side of a girl.
Okay. So you don't know that it is said that the most foolish people on earth are goalkeepers?
No.
You don't understand. They said, put the ball at an angle a goalkeeper will not see. They become very useless. They will just stand at least and be looking at
it. If they like me, I'm a good goalkeeper because I catch this one. And look at the way I catch it very well. Look at the result. And it will be a girl.
It's like you have not asked Nduka. I'm a coming more.
He's going to be a boy. He's a boy.